This was a trip we have been planning for a long time. We flew on Emirates. We left Chicago at 7:45 p.m. It was a 13-hour flight, and we landed in Dubai at about almost 7 o'clock local time. We are here for 9 days, 10 days, 9 days now, 9 days. It was 10 days total. We're here for 9 days, and I'm really excited to take you along and show you Dubai. Okay, so we decided to get a taxi. So as soon as we exited, they had a big sign, and there's literally hundreds of taxis here waiting to pick us up. From Dubai. So yesterday I realized that I was kind of a hot mess. That flight was very, very long, and I don't think that any of us got much sleep. Zachary, did you get much sleep last night on the plane?
5 hours.
5 hours. He did pretty good. I think he probably slept the most out of all of us. It was a 13-hour flight, and I don't think I really talked about it, but we flew from Chicago to Dubai. It was a direct flight. It was 13 hours. On Emirates. The flight was great. We got 3 meals, which was nice. A lot of food. Yeah, and they had a great entertainment option, didn't they? Mm-hmm. And what did you watch?
Okay, so I watched Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone.
Yeah, so it wasn't called the Sorcerer's Stone. It was called the Philosopher's Stone. So I don't know if that was an Emirates thing. They changed the name, but I thought that was interesting. Mm-hmm. And you watched another Harry Potter movie?
The second one. And yeah. I fell asleep watching that.
Yeah.
So that I had to rewatch it.
Yeah. So, and then he played some games. There were a lot of kids, like little kids on our flight. There were a lot of them around us. And so I didn't sleep very well. My husband didn't sleep very well because it feels like there was just a lot of babies crying.
And yelling.
And yelling, yeah. So we got to the hotel and we checked in and we went to bed pretty early. I woke up at 2:30 this morning. And when I got up to go to the bathroom about 4 o'clock, Zachary was awake. And
I was wide awake.
Yeah. And then Daddy was awake about 5 a.m. So it's a few minutes before 8 o'clock now.
1 minute to be precise.
1 minute. We are gonna go and have breakfast. So we're staying at the Taj Dubai in Business Bay in downtown Dubai. And the room that we booked has breakfast included every day of our stay. So we're gonna go check that out. And today we are going to really see Old Dubai. So at 10 a.m. we have a walking tour of Old Dubai, the souk markets, how that started, the history of Dubai, and really bring it from where Dubai started until today. Mm-hmm. Dubai really has risen in the last 25 years or so.
25, like 15.
Yeah, so it's really, 25 years ago it really started, but in the last 15 it's changed so much. So this is just a way to give us some history and teach us about Old Dubai, and then we're gonna go to the Dubai frame. And then later tonight we have a dinner cruise, I believe you say a Doha, but I'll have to find out for sure if that's what you call it. Dinner cruise on the Dubai Marina. Did you have something to say?
Oh yeah. Actually, something to show.
Okay.
See that giant tower right there? That is the Burj Khalifa.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's the Burj Khalifa.
Can we see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. We can see it. Huh, interesting. So while we're at it, this is our view. And so the Burj Khalifa is directly that way. There's a mosque down there. They're doing a lot of building over here, a lot of construction. So I feel like pretty soon this is really going to be built up. And I also want to show the rollaway bed that they brought in. So this was a little interesting. It's a king size bed, but it's two twin beds pushed together, which was fine. And then they brought in this rollaway bed for my son, and it all worked out really well.
Wait, there's one more thing. Free slippers.
Yes, so our room did come with complimentary slippers, which he is really enjoying. Okay, to clarify, because I know I'm gonna get comments, my husband just told me that the original Harry Potter book was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. They changed it to Sorcerer's Stone for the American audience. We don't know why, right?
I'm gonna guess it's because of the Salem witch trials.
because of the Salem witch trials. You heard it from Zachary first. But that's that. So a lot of people have asked when they knew I was coming to Dubai, what are you wearing? What are you packing? And it was a little difficult because Dubai is, well, it's very modern. It's also, you know, a very conservative country. All of UAE is. Dubai is probably the most progressive, but I wanted to make sure that my outfits were, first of all, cool. It's not too bad today. It's gonna be about 75, but remember, we are in the desert. It is a dry heat. And also that I just looked respectful because we're gonna be going into, today we're not really doing anything religious, but we just want to be respectful. So I wanted to wear a hat. We're gonna be outside. We're doing a walking tour. And then I just have leggings on. I like these leggings because they have a pocket so I can put my phone in there. And then I just have a wicking tank top. And then my little cover up, it's actually a beach cover up, but I thought that it was nice because it covers everything and it just keeps my shoulders covered, which I think is important here. And I'm wearing Skechers, and then I have my Louis Vuitton mini, oh my gosh, I can't believe I can't remember the name. Anyway, I don't think they make this bag anymore, but it's my little mini, Palm Springs mini, and then I have a hat clip here, and I got this off of Amazon. It's magnetic, so that I can just take my hat off and put it here if we go inside or if we eat and I can't wear a hat if it's inappropriate to wear a hat. So this is my outfit of the day. So I started this morning with a cappuccino, and then while it is a breakfast buffet, there's also a menu that you can order off of. So our server recommended the Eggs Benedict, and then because this is an Indian hotel, they have a lot of Indian specialties, and so we love Indian food, so she gave us some recommendations and is gonna give us a couple of things this morning, and we'll try some different things every day, but we're really excited to try the food here. It looks amazing.
This is called the Zach Cam, and what I do is I talk about what I think about the places I would go, right? Behind me is the Burj. Take two. This is the Zach Cam, and right there is the Burj Khalifa. It's tallest building in the world, and it's in Dubai, and that's all I really know about it. Zach Cam signing off in 3, 2, 1.
Part of the original wall of old Dubai. So even though they speak Arabic here, all of the signs are also in English. Pretty much everyone here speaks English, and usually they're whatever language they speak where they're from. This is just one of the shops that we're seeing as we're walking through old Dubai, and all the clothing options. Oh wow. Traditional spice soup. Yeah.
To make this much saffron. Upper part red one saffron, the lower part is roots. Roots are no have taste, no have color, no any benefit.
Dubai frame. And the Dubai frame shows old Dubai on one side, the history of Dubai and really like the roots, and then on the other side is New Dubai. And really you see how much the city has grown over the last 25 years or so. Now in the middle they have clear glass that you can look down. I am too scared to step on it. I'm not gonna step on it, but I'm gonna show you what it does. So we are, what, 486 feet, I think, above ground, that far up. And the view here is definitely impressive. You did it! Here is New Dubai. There's the Burj Khalifa. Wow, there's a garden down there. You can see all of New Dubai here. Zachary, tell me, what do you think about the Dubai frame?
I want to get down right now.
We'll get down in a minute. The view here is truly amazing.
Ooh, there's mini balls.
And here is all of Old Dubai, and you can see just how much the city has changed in the last 25 years. It is truly impressive. There's a photographer here taking pictures, and you're standing on the glass, and there's a camera up there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God! Here's another view. I just want to point out, I'm going to zoom in, there is a beautiful mosque right there. I'm going to zoom in for you. The mosques are all over Dubai, and that is one of the larger ones I've seen. I know it's not the largest one, but that's a really big one. That one's really pretty. So here's more of Old Dubai. Earlier today, we were, let's see, right in there, where we took the boat across. What do you see? Oh, there's an airplane. There's the airport. And there's a stadium right there. I don't know what type of stadium that is. I'm assuming it's a football stadium, but I don't know which stadium it is.
Food. Say food.
Football.
Good. And then there's the river right there.
Yeah? And so when I say mosques are everywhere, there is another one right there, much smaller. And I'm gonna say that that's been there for a long time, and they built the, I believe those are apartment complexes around it.
And then there's
another one, I think right there. They really are all over. It's truly amazing, and they all look a little bit different, and the architecture on them is just magnificent. Keep going. So of course they have pressed pennies here, and we have to get them. So it was 10 AED dirhams for the 4 coins. Oops. Keep going, keep going. Or do you only get one? Yes. And that was the Dubai frame. That was pretty incredible. I really enjoyed it, and the views were amazing, and it was something very different that I'd never done before. So we're gonna head back to our hotel for a few hours and relax. We have some pretty bad jet lag, so we'll relax and go on a dinner cruise tonight. We came back from the frame and we're really tired. We actually all fell asleep. So I had the best sleep. I came back, I took a shower, I put on the hotel's robe, and I slept for like 2 hours. But now it is dinner time and a quick outfit change. This dress is new. It's from Old Navy. It's just a little dress. We are going to a traditional, I think it's Doha, but I may be saying this wrong. It may be Dhow, maybe, dinner cruise. We're gonna go through Dubai Marina. The tour company that I worked with is picking us up here at our hotel and taking us right to the dinner cruise. So I'm excited to share that with you. I'm excited to do this, and it's about 2 hours. There's music and dinner and the lights of the city. So I'm excited to take you along, and this is what I wore. It is a business casual is what the dress code is. My husband is in like real nice golf shorts and a shirt, and my son is in like golf shorts and a dress shirt as well. It's a little bit cooler here right now. It's about 70 degrees, which for Dubai is a little bit cooler, so I decided to wear something with long sleeves, not to get too cold, but shorts are acceptable for this outing.